Splish splash, I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Yeah, a rubber duck just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub, put my feet on the floor, I wrapped the towel around me.